All right, Debbie, tell us a little bit about your story. We're going to the hardware company.
A tech hardware company.
All right.
And with an aspiration to obviously growth, their growth had stalled. They had grown stale, market leader in the manufacturing, transportation, and logistics space. Had a consultant came in and suggest that they should move to different markets. So I developed a plan, brought together a team of both internal and external hires to focus on the healthcare market. So, very different from the dock of a manufacturing floor. And intuitively, we understood that, right? I mean, it's easy to say like, well, healthcare is very different than a dock floor. We didn't stop there. Our success came from really deeply understanding the compelling issues in patient care and how we could solve that, including work that the FDA was doing at the time that we could latch on to in terms of implementing patient IDs. So the root application was the same, singular identification of a product or a person. But it's more than just changing the headline on a website and cutting and pasting. We really took the time to meet with hospitals, thought leaders in the space, and we developed a vastly different go-to-market approach that started within the market. Again, going back to that market leader, we found early adopters, we solicited feedback, we really made them part of our solution. And when I say go to market, I mean the alignment of our marketing strategy, our product offerings, as well as our sales team and our go to market in terms of how we would reach the market changed. So we were able to innovate new products quickly and effectively that solve the healthcare problems easily and conveniently. And let me tell you, they were willing to pay that. We changed pricing models significantly from the pricing models that we used in the manufacturing space. We changed the positioning of our product. Busy nurses, they care about their patients. They're focused on patient safety. We understood the buyer's journey and the market fit. Again, pricing models, look what's going on in SaaS today from seat to usage. I mean, you've got to be constantly innovating your models and how you serve the markets. So we carved out sort of a mini business unit focused on healthcare in order to really get, that market focus and, KPIs, shared goals. We hired people from the outside, channel management folks, sellers, alliance experts.
I want to pause for a second because in just our quick time together, I've heard just locking arms with the CFO and the finance group. You don't have to do it all. You don't have to be right. And I just heard your product is part of go-to-market.
That's right.
Your transformation can be in your products in your markets. And to do that, you need operations, finance, sales, marketing, customer success, and product, and to go external. So just putting that equation together for some motivation, that's why it's not impossible, but it does take tremendous energy and leveraging our strengths in communications. That's one of the inherent strengths of marketing.
Yeah, absolutely. The results, were margin, significant increase in margin overall of nearly 60% in the category compared to some of the legacy applications that were commoditizing. We built an early brand presence that continues to be important to the organization today for future growth. We developed cartridges for patient IDs that were worth the value to a busy nursing system. So this was the result of that different thinking and the innovation based on market need.
Yeah. And you went external to do that. And you looked for where the value lied. You looked for where the market opportunity and need was. It's almost a lost art in marketing. And I think pulling those two things together are great.